Tonight, a local family is in shock after a 17-year-old girl was shot and killed in the Los Angeles area. It happened in Carson. 17-year-old Delecia Hearn was outside a home with a friend attending a vigil when they were both shot and killed. Kirsten Mitchell joining us now live at Hoover High School in Fresno, where the teen went to school. And Kirsten, you spoke with a family member tonight.
That's right, Stephanie. Delecia was a senior here at Hoover High School. Her family tells me that she had a lot of things going for her. She was set to graduate and then continue on in her education. All those plans, though, were cut short when she became a victim of gun violence.
She was just a fun-loving spirit. She loved to dance, have fun, make jokes, play video games with her cousin. She was just a regular teenager, you know.
This bright-eyed teenager is Delecia Hearn. The 17-year-old Hoover High School senior was a cheerleader with a passion for hairstyling.
She would do hair as her way of earning money. To be independent.
She was on track to graduate and continue her education and hoped to open her own hair salon one day.
She was an innocent victim who had so much more to do with her life. She had a future ahead of her.
But the teen's bright future was cut short Sunday night. Her family says she took a weekend trip from Fresno to Carson to visit friends and family. Sunday evening, she went to a vigil for a friend and was outside with others when someone shot her and a 19-year-old woman in the chest.
I couldn't believe what I was hearing, that my niece was shot. What do you mean shot? That doesn't happen to our family.
Hearn's family is still in disbelief, left with many questions, all while police continue to search for the gunman, even offering a reward for information.
You know, you see other people's family on the news. You see others, and for it to be happening to us, it seems so surreal.
Hearn's family is now planning a funeral no one prepares for.
You know, my baby, that was my, oh goodness.
And the family has set up a GoFundMe to help pay for funeral expenses. If you could chip in, they would really appreciate it. I'll post a link on our website, yourcentralvalley.com. Reporting live in Fresno, Kirsten Mitchell, KC24, local news that matters.